What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are on another video today, progressing on our Nardo Silverado project. This is our 1500 Silverado truck. And today we're working on the rear driver's side door. I've already prepped the space. Everything has been cleaned. Everything has been degreased. And the first thing you do is start working on the door handle. So I've already gone through the handle removal. And if you've seen the previous video on our channel, I did a video on the cutting techniques that you are needing, or that I prefer to use on door handles. Definitely check that out. I'll try to put a little link above here so you guys can see that. But going through my work process, my workflow, this is essentially the same thing I do on every panel. I come and I use my magnets to hang the material. Yes, I pre-cut all of my panels. Everything's already been measured out, way ahead of time. So by the time I get here, it's already done and I don't have to, spend that additional time. It's also a good idea to do that so you can measure how much material you have left of the individual roll, and at that time you would know whether or not you need to reorder material before you are done with this install. So going back to my workflow, what I do is, of course, I hang the material. I do all four corners. I do remove the backing off of this, and I tack the very center line of this panel. In this case, it would be the top part of the door right above the handle and below the window. That's the section that I do tack. And if you notice, I did go ahead and spray some water before removing the plastic covering. And that, again, plastic covering is there to protect the high gloss on finish on this material. And then just like every other panel, you want to cut off the excess material. So I've already cut off the left side of that door, which is closest to the driver's side door. And now I'm cutting off the excess, which is where the hole for the window is. So all of that is cut out. There is a separation on my left-hand side on the pillar, and the division of the bottom side of that door. So I've already said that again, and again, removing any excess material. As I have recommended, and I will swear by it, I do use triple S on the surface of this material. So as you see, I can go ahead and lift the material up multiple times, and it does release. No matter, the heat that we have outside, the humidity that we have outside. Again, I am down here in Miami, Florida. If you are newer to our channel, welcome. But again, the environment is a factor. So heat and humidity are going to make pretty much any material that you're working with extra tacky. So I use a tack release called triple S, both on the surface of the material before I start my install, as well as on my squeegee and buffer to make it slide smoother. Okay, so as I am coming back with my headlamp, I love pointing this out, guys. I do have some pretty strong lights out there, but no matter what, you don't always have light directly where your eyes need the light. So this is one super handy tool. I highly recommend you guys shop around. I got this one off of Amazon. It's an LED headlamp with a whole lot of power. I don't remember offhand how much lumen it has, but I know it was an exaggerated amount, like a really high number, like 8,000 lumen or something like that. I'm gonna look for the link for that Amazon piece, but I definitely feel that this is something you want to have in your toolkit, guys. A headlamp, whether you're indoors or outdoors, you won't always have light exactly where your eyes need them, so I highly recommend this. All right, so continuing on my mission of giving you information that you may or may not be aware that is super important. Um, if you've been watching my videos and other, rappers' videos, you notice that we're using heating elements, either, a heat gun, a torch. I use torch out here. But there's a specific reason why we're constantly using these torches. A big one is to relax the material. There is tension that is applied to the material during the manufacturing process. So you want the material to relax whenever you're seeing, wrinkles or stretch lines. You want the material to be as chill as possible during your install. Now, there is a batting order when it comes to applying heat when you are, pushing out air from behind the material, making sure that the material is flat, to then cut. And I think of this constantly as I'm going through my install. So I'm always making sure that I am glassed out, that is glassing the material, making sure it's completely flat, like glass. Then you squeegee, you push out the air behind the material. You apply heat to get the material to lose that memory stretch. Again, there is pressure, tension that is applied to the material during the manufacturing process. So you want the material relaxed. Then you go into your cut. As soon as you cut, you do a popular term from one of our mentors in the industry, Justin, thank you. You go back and you seal the cut, or you seal the deal, as he likes to say. As soon as you cut, you'll see me very often go back with either a squeegee or I use my gloved hand to seal the cut as soon as I am done with that cut. And then I always like going back and applying heat to wherever I cut that material. Everyone, this is usually the time in the video when I love to just, express my gratitude, guys. Thank you so much. If you are watching and following along on my rapping passion, my journey, my business, guys, thank you so much. I truly, truly do appreciate you. I do want to ask, guys, if you are finding value in our videos, please hit that like button. Follow if you haven't followed along. I do a lot of these wrapping videos. If you are newer, I wrap all vehicles, guys, all vehicles. But the name of the business is V Twin Skins. A bigger passion of mine is motorcycles. I wrap motorcycles, all kinds of motorcycles, specifically Harley Davidson and the Harley Davidson culture, all types of V Twins, as well as, sport bikes, racing teams, clubs. I wrap all kinds of motorcycles for these guys. But yes, of course, as you see, I do cars, trucks, SUVs, commercial fleet vehicles. Guys, if you have questions, reach out. I will absolutely do my best to assist. So again, thank you so much. Again, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm trying to make the channel grow. Thanks a lot, guys.
Tell me now how you want